Multiplication of decimal numbers. Students, today we shall learn about multiplication of decimal numbers. How to multiply a decimal by a whole number and how to multiply a decimal by another decimal number. First, let us see how to multiply a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. When we want to multiply a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, etc., the most important thing we have to do is to move the decimal point as many places to the right as there are zeros in the multiplier. Multiplying a decimal number by 10 to the power n moves the decimal point n places to the right. Okay, so let us see some examples. 64 into 321, 64.321 into 10. Here we have to multiply this by 10. And when we want to multiply this by 10, here you see in 10, how many zeros are there? We have 1 0 in 10. Okay, here we have 1 0. So you see the decimal point has been shifted just one place. It was here and it has been shifted to this place. So it has just shifted one place. Okay, and in the second example you can see we have multiplied this number by 100, and in 100 we have 2 zeros, right? In 100 we have 2 zeros, and that's why we have just shifted the decimal point 2 places towards right. Earlier the decimal point was here just after 4, and we have shifted it 2 places and we got 403.5, right? And in the third example you can see we have multiplied it by 100, and here we have 3 zeros, right? 3 zeros. So we have to shift the decimal by how many places? 3 places. As we have 3 zeros, we have to multiply or shift it by 3 places towards right. And here the decimal was after 0.356. That means it was here 0.356, and it has been shifted. Okay, there is a mistake here. It will be actually 356. Okay, it will be 356. Just as we have to multiply by 1000, we have to move this decimal to 3 places towards right. That means 356.0, 356, that is equal to 356.0 we can write also. Okay, so multiplying by 10, 100, 1000 and such numbers where we have only zeros, it makes it very easy. Just shift the decimal towards right. Just count the number of zeros in one and shift the decimal towards right. Okay, now let us see multiplication of a decimal number by whole number or a decimal number. To multiply a decimal, you see, you multiply it as if there were no decimal points at all, and make the position by the rule that there are as many decimal places in the product as there are in multiplier and multiplicand put together. Okay, that means when we want to multiply a decimal by another decimal, we have to multiply like whole numbers, and then we shall just count the number of decimal places and add them, and we can put the decimal places accordingly. Let us see one example. 0.3 into 0.02. Here you see, if we delete the decimals, we have 3 and 03, that is equal to 3, and 002, that is 2. Okay, 3 and 2, right? Now we want to, if we multiply 3 by 2, we get 6. And now I have written 6 here. Now count the number of decimal places. Okay, here we have 1 decimal place, here we have 2 decimal places. So total becomes 3. So 1, 2, 3. So here I had only 6. So how to make it 3? Just put zeros at the left, so that it becomes 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In this way, we can multiply 0.3 into 0.02, right? Now, let us see the other example, 7 into 0.003. Here, you have a 7, okay, and here you have 0.003, and if you take the only numbers, you have 7 and here you have 3, and 7 and 3 means if you multiply them, you get 21, right? You get 21. Now count the decimal places. Here we have no decimal places, and here we have 1, 2, 3 decimals. So 0 plus 3 is 3, and in the answer we shall have 3 decimal places. But here we have only 2 places. How to make it 3? So we shall put a 0 towards the left and put the decimal. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So it is 0.021. So it is 0.021. Now let us look at the third example. Here we have 5.78 into 3. And if you delete the decimal here, you get 578. Okay. If you delete the decimal, what you get? You get 578. 578. And here you have 3. Now if you multiply 578 by 3, you get 1734. If you multiply, you will get 1734. And how many decimal places are there? Here we have 2 decimal places, and here we have no decimal places. So in the answer we shall have 2 decimal places. Just count it from right, and 1, 2, so you put it here. So it becomes 17.34, right? In this way, we can multiply decimals by another decimal. Let us take one more example. Suppose we want to multiply 5.29 into 2.1. Okay, 5.29 into 2.1. Just like other multiplication, we shall do it. 529. Here we have 21. Just we shall multiply now. 1 9 is 9, 1 2 is 2, 1 5 is 5, 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5, and 2 5 is 10. So we shall add now, and it becomes 9 0. So that is 1 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 11. We have 1 here and 1. So 111.1109. Now we want to put the decimal. Here we have 2 decimal places, here we have 1 decimal place. So total 3 decimal places. So from right we shall count the number of decimal places, and decimal places becomes 1, 2, 3. So we shall put the decimal here. It is 11.109. Okay, so answer is 11.109. Okay, so in this way we can multiply one decimal number by another decimal number. Hope you have learned how to multiply decimal numbers, and in the next video we shall learn about division of decimals. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Enjoy Math with Prashant sir.